Hello everyone and welcome to Vantage Corner. In today's video, we are going to unbox a camera from Dahua, the IMOU Bullet Lite. Here is the main features of the CCTV cameras: 8:265 Full HD video, weatherproof, cloud service, and motion detection. Not bad at all. So let's open the box and see what is inside. We have the quick start guide, and the position map for the camera holder. And next, we have the power adapter. The power output is 12 volts and 1 amp. Then we have the cover for the Ethernet port, skill package, and finally we have the cameras. The case is made of plastic, but it is a solid build. On this side, we have the lens, the IR sensor for night visions, and the microphone. This Wi-Fi antenna is small in compared to the antenna from your router, but it can communicate in the range of 15 meters in an open field, so it is not bad at all. And lastly, we have two connectors, the fast Ethernet connectors, 100 Mbps, and the power connectors. Let's set up our device and see how it is performance. I will use the screwdriver to open this cover. Inside, we will have the reset buttons and the SD card slot. Make sure you insert the card in the correct direction. Now, let's connect the power cable and power off the camera. After that, we will use our smartphone to scan the QR code provided in the quick start guide to get the mobile applications, or you can go to Apple Store or Google Play Store and install the app IMOU Life. Once you're done, open the app and register for an account if you don't have. Select the country. Fill in your email and password and hit next. A code will be sent to your email. Check your inbox and spam for the code. Fill in the code and hit next to finish. I have created an account before, so I will not proceed further. Then sign in with your account information. Now let's add our camera to the account. Click the yellow button to add your cameras. Now we need to scan the QR code on the side of the cameras. You may need to adjust the angle and turn on the light if the app cannot detect the device. Great, the camera has been detected. Click on Next and connect the power if you haven't. Now fill in the Wi-Fi password. Please confirm the device green light blinking. Yes, confirmed. Tick the button and hit Next. Now Turn off the volume on your phone and place it near to the camera. Remove the plastic cover if you haven't, because it is covering the microphone hole. Perfect. The pairing is a success, and now the device is connecting to the cloud. Give the name and assign it to the room you want. Thanks, but I don't need cloud storage, maybe later. Alright, so we're done, and this is the live video from the cameras. It is clear, as you can see. You can turn on the sound output here. You can scroll to the left and to the right to move between different cameras if you have set up with your account. Click on the button to enter the full screen mode. With full screen in SD mode, the bandwidth is only around 70 kilobytes per second. Let's take a look at a night street. The video is clear and I can see every single detail. I can see the moving cars and motorbikes and so on. This is a live video, and let's switch to the video recorded in the SD card with the built-in microphone. This is the audio recorded by the CCTV. This is nighttime. It is midnight and it's very dark outside, as you can see. Now let's take a tour with the applications. On the main page, you can check your cameras, you can take a picture, the snapshot, and you can even record a video. If you go to settings, you will have the below configuration menu. In device firmware version, we can check the current firmware version and update it online. In alarm notification, you can change when and how you will receive the notifications. If you turn on this device offline options, a push message will be sent to your phone when the camera is disconnected from Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, and when the device is offline, I mean when it is not connected to the internet. You can activate the AI detection and cloud storage if you wish, but for me, store the videos on the SD card is enough. In local storage setting, you can change recorded video quality. Select standard definition if you want to have more videos, and select high definition if you want more resolution. By default, you will not be able to stream the video and playback if you are using the 4G or 3G connections, and you may need to turn it on first. Click on the user icons, go to Settings, and then turn on Play on Cellular Network. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi and see if we can stream it smoothly via the 4G connection. As you can see, the video quality is not bad at all. I am moving my hand and the video has a very small delay. At the same time, when the camera detects motion, a notification will be sent to your phone with a short video of the object. Let's check it out. And lastly, to view the recorded videos on the camera SD card or cloud, you can go to the top right corner and click on the two dot buttons. Select all video and then select the SD card or cloud accordingly. In my case, it is SD card. The video is recorded in a 5-minute length. You can change it if you want. Now we are streaming the video from the SD card. We can take a snapshot from the video or download the video to our phone storage. The bandwidth for direct video streaming from SD cards is average 140 KB per second. You can also navigate between different days. Now let's see some real footage recorded from the cameras on daytime, nighttime with light, and nighttime with night vision. That's all about the video. Hit like if you see the video is helpful and hit dislike if the video is wasting your time. And I hope it not, of course. Share the video, subscribe to the channel to support me, and as always, if you have any questions or idea, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.